Jessica Cantu.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, hi. I just want to say that this is I just want to say that I'm mentally unstable, and I know my bond is a $5,000 bond, and I don't know if I have enough time credit to actually get out on a PR bond, and then transfer me over to you.
Okay, so let me explain the legal process a little bit to you. Okay, so anyway, you're saying that the indictment is incorrect.
Yes.
So what will end up happening is your attorney will need to file a motion if he thinks there's a legal issue with the indictment. Now, if you think the indictment is incorrect because the date is something like that is wrong, then that's something you go to trial on, or either the state considers dismissing. Now, with regards to mental health issues, if you're saying you're incompetent,
Yes.
which means you are not understanding the process, that you don't have a rational understanding of the charges against you or a factual understanding. So what will end up happening is here's the thing. You will need a doc, like a medical doctor will have to determine whether you're competent or incompetent. I'm not allowed to do that. With regards to any bond issues, your attorney will file a motion for bond. As soon as he wants that set, we'll take it in and take it up at that time. Okay. That's something your attorney will need to discuss. No. Sometimes, no. Here's the thing. There's no need to apologize. Let me ask you this. Are you an attorney?
No.
So you wouldn't know the process. So that's fine. Now, if you were an attorney, I would say, how could you not know this process? But you're not an attorney, so that's okay. So whether or not you can get this dismissed or not, your attorney will need to speak with the state, okay, and confer with them. Now, your attorney has informed the court that he has a mediation or something he has to go to. So what we'll do is we're going to reset this for next week. Your attorney can come in, have more time to speak with the prosecutors, okay? Your attorney will need to file that, but this is what I'll do. I'll have you evaluated for a PR bond.
Okay.
Norma, if you can have her evaluated for a PR bond.
Yes.
And counsel, we have a second violation report. We'll address that at that time. Ms. Ferguson, recall this. Can we recall this for Monday?
Would you mind give me a Tuesday?
Okay. Norma, is Tuesday okay? Oh, that is.
Oh, well, never mind.
How dare you ask for a Tuesday? You just don't want us to have a break. But Sean, he doesn't want us to have a break.
You're the hardest working court. Keep up that reputation.
Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday works better.
All right. So we're going to bring you back on Wednesday.
And does the PR bond say, because I actually I had a PR bond interview.
Let me just tell you what the issue is. I'm going to have them review you for a PR bond, but you were previously on a PR bond. And I'm going to give this to your attorney so he'll have a copy and be ready to proceed on it next time. The problem is you never report it.
Yes, I actually
Wait, don't tell me about what happened. You'll need to discuss it with your attorney because there are certain things your attorney may not want the court to know, okay?
And then one thing, I completed successfully on my probation. So is there any way that I qualify for probation?
That's something that your attorney will need to speak to the state about.
We're not quite there yet.
So is there any way that I can get a PR bond from today?
No,
Okay.
not today.
Okay.
So we're going to bring you back on Wednesday, okay?
Okay. Have a seat now. Do you know what might happen to me?
No, I won't know until they present things, okay? Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yes, because we don't have
Yes. No, it's set on Wednesday because we have the holiday on.
So he has to be in check. I understand what's going on.
I was like, you were telling me, I'm like, what?
Yeah.
All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 002568W State versus Lupe Colin. Can our parties approach and announce for the record, please?
Very well, this room from Colin.
Oh, it's Colin. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. And are you Lupe Colin?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Lupe Colin who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 002568W for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on February 27, 2025 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 24th day of October 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Griego, Colin, that committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Lupe, Griego, Colin, then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August and September 2025 in violation of condition number 1. I'm sorry, 4.
Four.
Number
Thank you.
4, sorry.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 4, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 1, 1, and 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 1, 1, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion of allow alteration to amend to include status of passive care.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, so why is it that you didn't report?
In the process of being homeless and everything, it's the chaos in my head.
So why didn't you call probation and tell them what was happening with you?
And then cooperation with one that didn't have family or any that was in service. I know we can use Wi-Fi and all that, but being homeless and losing all the paperwork and the name of the probation officer and her number.
See, this is what you need to explain to me, and really this is something I want you to understand. You can't report to probation. You can't do certain things because all these obstacles are in your way, but you're able to find time to commit a new offense, which is the possession case. So you're able to find time to do that, but not report to probation. Here's the thing. They want you to do inpatient treatment. You know yourself better than I do, better than probation does, better than your attorney knows you, right? All right. I'm going to give you a choice, right? I can deny the motion. You will go to inpatient treatment. You're going to wait for a bed. That program is 9 months, 6 months there, 3 months aftercare. Or I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Do you need to discuss it with your attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right. So what do you prefer?
The set.
All right. Court will deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions. Is it safety? All right. And there is to be 30 sober support meetings upon release. And do you have any children?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Are they adults or no?
They're all adults.
Do you have grandchildren?
Yes, I do.
Are they adults?
No, ma'am.
All right. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. When's the last time where you were employed? I'm sorry, state, you may be excused.
It's been quite a while.
So how have you been supporting yourself, or have you not been supporting yourself?
I will go and donate.
I'm sorry, what?
I go donate plasma.
All right. So there's going to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. When you worked previously, what did you do?
I was working before I stopped working, I would work at a temp service or for the temp service, I was working at a Goodwill.
Okay. And how far did you go in school?
I did not graduate, but I do have my GED.
So if you could have a dream job, what's your passion? What would you like to do?
My passion would be to have my own company as in landscape.
All right. So there is going to be 80 hours of community service restitution. And if you get into landscaping and set up your own business for landscaping, I'll deem the community service hours satisfied. Otherwise, it gets hot in Texas. They'll have you picking up trash along the highways and byways. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's going to be regular random UAs upon release. Probation, is there anything else? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful on this probation?
No.
All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, communication with probation is key to be successful. If you don't communicate with them, they don't know what's going on in your life. Sometimes people fall on hard times, but for you to just disappear is not a good thing. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Big Susan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012214 State versus Jeffrey Flores. Are you Mr. Flores?
Ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I agree because I don't.
No. That's not my question. I want you to listen to my question.
No, sorry.
That's okay. This is a motion to revoke community supervision. It's complaining that you didn't complete certain things. Did you understand that?
I didn't go.
Your Honor, I might need to talk to him again.
Okay.
He is requesting more time from the court. I understand that he needs to plead not true to this judge. He would like to hire an attorney.
Okay. All right.
Because I don't need
She
to.
does.
Okay.
My question is, did you review this with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jeffrey Flores who's placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 012214 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on February 20th, 2025 for a term of 4 years? Is that you? State. Yes.
Thank you so much. All right, violating condition number 2, on or about the 21st day of March 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
I plead
True or not true?
True.
And then violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True. Did you understand by pleading true to violations? Oh, I'm sorry, state, are you waiving 14 AA?
Yes, state is waiving the remaining condition.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
Court will find 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, I don't believe there is a proposed agreement, but state would be asking for revocation and sentencing for those 2 years.
All right. And defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, he has expressed to me, Judge, that he would like to hire some time to hire an attorney. We did receive 2 separate recommendations from the state. So in all honesty, Judge, we would just like for him to have more time to hire the attorney of his choice.
Now, here's the thing. The question is.
No,
go ahead.
I just really want, because I'm really confused, like, I'm really, because honestly, on the drug test part, I had to get hit by a car, and I had told them, and I brought them my hospital, but I was.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I've already sworn you in. State your name for the record.
Jennifer.
All right, so this is what's going to happen. You've been sworn in. I'm not going to take testimony from you just yet because it appears that there may be miscommunication and you changed your mind about certain things. So no. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a chance to speak with your attorney. And then if you still want to proceed, then I'll take testimony from you. Okay. So just speak with her for a moment and then you all can come back. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. We're back on the record in 2024 CR 012214 State versus Jeffrey Flores. All right. Mr. Flores, do you wish to continue?
Yes, ma'am. No. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's because I was so confused now. Where I asked for this one more time so I could talk to my family about it. And I asked if it was possible to finish. She said,
Your Honor, I spoke to Mr. Flores again, and he reiterated the same thing in our prior discussion, that he would like to talk to his family and they're planning on hiring an attorney. So at this point, Your Honor, we would request that he be allowed to withdraw his plea because there was confusion and maybe a miscommunication. But that is what both of our conversations have been.
All right. State. All right. The defense counsel is asking that his pleas of true be withdrawn. Do you have any objections? All right. The defendant's plea of true will be withdrawn. This is going to be set for a contested hearing on Wednesday, and it will be a contested. Yes. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.